All right, so this is the TCL Roku TV remote, and it's very basic. It's very simple. If you look on the side, you're going to see increase the sound, decrease the sound, mute the sound. That's your mute button there. That's your decrease, and that's your increase. Here is the button that you press to turn it on. Notice it's red. This is for your home screen, and this is to go back one page. You navigate with these arrows, and you choose what you want to look at with the OK button. Down here, you can advance the video, or you can reverse the video. This will stop it and start it. Down here, you've got Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and HBO, which are, quick fixes. You just click this and it takes you right there. If you want to get back to your home screen, you hit this little button that has a home on it, and that's how you get back. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. This swings you back also, and we have to check out and see what this does. I'm not sure. All right, so that's how you use your remote, and we're going to try it here in a second. All right, the first thing you need to do is turn on your TV. So you're going to press that little red button at the very top of your remote. I'm going to get a little closer so you can see. And I press it, and that will turn the TV on. Bam, done. And what it's going to do is it's going to go right to the home screen. And on the home screen, I have all my apps. You can see there's Netflix, there's Prime, there's Hulu. And if you look here, this is your navigation button. Now, if I press it to the left, the box moves to the left. If I press it right, it moves right. So that if you want to go down, you hit this. If you want to go up, you hit the top arrow. And that's pretty much it. If you want to select one of these options, let's say we want to go to Prime. And now we've highlighted the Prime box, and all we have to do is hit the OK button, and it will open up that channel for us. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes to do. And there we are. We're in Prime. Now we got to pick a movie. All right, so to do that, right now you can see it's in home. So this is my home screen on Prime. Now if I go down by clicking the lower arrow, it will highlight a specific movie. In this case, it's Bill Maher. And then to choose it, I would just press OK. And then it would open up my selection page. And as you can see, it's highlighted this one episode. And if I want to watch that, I would just press OK, and it would open up that episode for me to watch. So it's opened up the episode, but if I want to go back to that page, I would just press on that little arrow there, and it would take me all the way back to that selection page where we pick the episode that we want it to watch. And if you continue to click that, it will keep taking you back. There's our page that we selected. We click it again, it takes us back to the home page. You can see it says home highlighted at the top. All right, on our Amazon Prime homepage, at the very top, it gives you different things. There's originals, movies, TV, kids, purchases, to go back. I'm going to go to originals. And the way that you get to that page, you just click OK, and it's going to open up the original page. And now you're going to be on that page, and you can choose from different movies or programs that Amazon Prime has on there that you can watch that they've created themselves. And if I want to go back to the home screen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press my home button. It's going to take me back to my original home screen on the TCL Roku TV with all of my apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video. Okay, so what we're going to do is open up one of these videos, or here it is, this Bill Maher video. And I'm going to show you how you can go forward and back and use the pause button. All right, so as soon as it comes on, of course, we got to wait for it to do that. All right, so here we are, it's running. Now if I press this, it will pause it. Here we go, bam, now it stops it right there. If you look at the bottom, there's a little timeline, and it tells you where you're at in the video. So you can get kind of an idea of your positioning. Now if you want to go backwards, you would press the arrows to the left. If you want to go forward, you press the arrows to the right. You can see there it is. Press this one and it goes backwards, and you'll see it kind of moving backwards on the screen. If you want to go, then you stop it and play it there. Then if you want to go forward, you press the right arrow and it'll pop it forward. You see those little thumbnails pop, and then just hit the play button. And it doesn't work super great, but you can kind of try to get there. If you press these, it'll bring you to different things like Hulu. Let's go ahead and press Hulu and see what happens. So it opens up this launch box at the bottom, and you've got to navigate. Yeah, you gotta move it, and then you hit OK, and then it takes you to Hulu. I mean, it'd be just as fast just to go to your home screen and do it. But anyway, so you can see Hulu's loading there. So for the most part, this is a fairly uncomplicated remote. It works pretty easy, and so the user doesn't have a lot of stumbling blocks like on some remotes. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use technology, TVs, computers, iPhones, and stuff like that.